Alright, let's see what we got here. What's this one in it? We got closer. We're here to see a what? A 69?
A 69 and a bunch of others.
Bunch of pieces, parts.
Stuff.
What do we got here? Oh yeah, there it is.
Stuff.
There it is. This is it, the 69. Oh yeah. Oh, motor still turns. That's a good thing. Got air boxes on it? We do. We're gonna have to.
He ran until he tore into the wires.
You still got the harness there? Yeah, the harness is still there. Hope we didn't start. Oh, yeah. It's always a bad sign when they cut them.
Yeah, he got it over his head.
Well, this was a mistake. Why didn't he just pull them out?
I have no idea.
Why do people do that? That's just a shame. How many miles on this whole guy? 8,000? Oh, there it is. CL Scrambler pipe. Check it out. Lots of parts. Wheels and tires. There's this. What's
later?
What's this go to?
750 pipes.
Ah, nice. I just want to see what wheels you got. You got both pipes on this thing? Yes, we do.
But not the right ones.
Right enough, they bolt up, right? That's that box of parts. What's this stuff?
That's brake line parts for my truck.
Oh, we got a couple of tanks. Big box of parts there.
Oh yeah. Box of parts here.
Now let's take a peek in there. What do we got here? Cylinder? What are these? What's this? Oh, this is snowmobile stuff.
Yeah, so yeah, that is snowmobile shit.
That's a whole fender there.
Those are easy to come by.
Yeah, I had a bunch of them. What do we got in here?
That's the disassembled 73.
Where's the frame for the 73?
Back, wrapped up, the one that's
Oh,
painted,
right there.
and painted, yeah, and blasted.
Yeah.
Shit.
Yeah, a bunch of bullshit, right? So that means there's got to be another set of air boxes and all that kind of fun stuff, right?
Oh yeah, somewhere.
See, you're smart. You label stuff. I want to check out that tank.
With the red?
Yeah.
Let's get some of this shit out of the way. These are a cigar, some rotten cigar style.
Well, let me check those out. Where do they come off of?
Those are off the early models. Those are the 69 and lower.
Ah.
They're not the metal.
That goes to somebody's sled.
Yeah, I got rid of some Yamahas and I didn't know I still had this shit.
You got here, same stuff or this other stuff?
Complete motor.
Oh, no doubt. Whole motor, huh?
Yep. The new pistons, new rings.
Assembled or disassembled?
Oh, the head separated.
Set of forks too, yeah,
Oh,
those
there,
are.
I took it apart, it ran. I thought I was gonna, fucking get into this restoration project and I gave up.
It is where it is, what it is. Okay, let's be real nice here. There's that dent you were talking about.
Oh yeah, there's a worse one.
Where? Oh, yeah. I can get a lot of that out. This, I can get a lot of that out. It won't be perfect, but... Hey, the tank I got does not exist. Does not exist.
Black one's a little... It is. That one's dent free.
Yeah, that's a real, yeah, the screw-on.
It's the same one. It's the same kind as that one.
Yeah, and then those are the later ones.
Yeah.
It's all right. check out this pipe. Oh, this is that guard you were talking about missing.
Yeah, it doesn't have the shield.
How banged up are they? Not too bad. See, you know this?
Oh, they're not perfect. But this,
Yeah, but these you're missing all the shields. But that would bolt up on my bike. I just have to come up with some shields.
Yeah,
you could even make some and just call it a day.
Yeah, you can use expanded metal, and you do see them. You just have to look for them.
Oh yeah, we got wheels and stuff. Alright, well, looks like a find. Alright, there's a whole motor in this box. Gonna have to redo those cylinders, they're kind of crusty. But hey, it's a part. Whole engine, right? Oh yeah. You got that cover too somewhere?
Oh,
this
probably.
One? Probably. There's one right on that engine.
One right here.
It's in one of the boxes. It's got a whole head in here. See that? Nice. Oh man, why do they always crash them? So we got her all loaded up. We still got haggle over the price.
Alright.
So what's it gonna cost me today?
I don't know, Dan. This is premium junk. What are you thinking?
I don't know. Where's your old lady got a handle on it? She's just like, get it out of here. I don't want to see
Get it out of here. I don't even want you going to that shed anymore. Okay, honey.
Yeah. Well, you know, we did score some good stuff. Whole back of the car. We gotta show you this. Whole back's just stuff full of parts. Like new stuff, old stuff, boxes, and we should have enough to play for at least the winter. Yeah, a few miles, but so what are you thinking? 50 bucks? I was hoping you'd pay me to take it. I don't think that's gonna happen. All right, 50 bucks it is, man. All right, well, thanks a lot, Don.
All right, see you in the sunset.
Yeah, we'll have to get together when I get her fired up. We'll have to go tear it up.
I got something to do this winter.
Oh yeah, this is gonna be a COVID lockdown project, man. And then we'll have to do an outlaw ride with the Grinch. When Grinch cuts us loose, we'll have to go for an outlaw ride. Yeah, well, at least I got something to play with. Leave a comment below. Like it. Share it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.